Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous tree topper bow. It also makes an elegant door bow as well. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to take a fairly large piece of the bow wire, and let me grab my scissors, and we're going to cut this. And I'm going to fold it in half and lay it into my Bowdabra and tuck the ends underneath so they just stay out of the way. Then the next thing I'm going to do is take this beautiful greenery, and then I've taken this garland, and we're just kind of wrapping the garland through the greenery to add some more sparkly gold, because this bow has all kinds of glitter ribbon, and I'm just going to lay this here so that this will all go down on my bow. Then I'm going to take my red ribbon, and I'm going to just go to the center and lay this in, and I've already dovetailed the ends. I'm going to do the same thing with this piece. Just want to find my center, lay this down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my sort of my diamond curl jacquard print, and we're just going to lay that down in here, and take my swirl ribbon and lay this down here. So this is the real easy, actually the whole thing is easy. It's just there's so much in this bow that you kind of get caught up with everything that goes into it. So now I've got about 2.5 yards of a 4-inch wide ribbon. I'm just going to twist it, and I'm going to fold it back and forth and push it down here. We'll speed this up in a minute so you don't have to watch me do the same thing over and over, but I do want you to see slowly the first couple of steps where all I'm doing is folding, twisting, and scrunching it down. So we're going to bring it back over, fold, twist, and scrunch it in. That's all we're doing here. And just finish that off there. Then I'm going to get my next ribbon, and I think this ribbon is, with all these ribbons that we've chosen for this bow, it's sort of like how much glitter can you get on everything while making the bow. So we're going to twist it. It's over here. All I'm doing again is the same thing. We're just folding, twisting, and scrunching it in. Do that again. We're going to fold, twist, and scrunch it in. I'm going to take my wand to give everything a really good push. We've got quite a bit of ribbon in here already, but we still have quite a bit more to put in. So all we're doing is folding, twisting, and scrunching. And again, this is about 2.5 yards of my 4-inch wide ribbon. And we're just going to twist it, bring it back over here, and finish up that bow. Then I'm going to take my triangle jacquard print. We're just going to twist it, fold, and it's exactly the same thing. So we'll speed the video up just a little bit here so you don't have to watch me do this slowly. And we'll just finish this off with one last fold over here, scrunch that in without twisting, and one more time I'm going to take my wand, just give everything a really good push, and take my swirl ribbon, which I believe we do have this swirl ribbon on our website. So I'm just going to scrunch it, just fold it back, and twist, fold. That's all this is fold and twist. So it's really very simple. And you will notice that because we've got so much ribbon in here, probably got, oh my gosh, like 10 yards at least of a wide, thick ribbon, plus the ribbons underneath, and the pick. So we're just going to fold and twist. And this is why I love the Bowdabra, because there's no way in the world I could hold all of this in my hands. take my wand. And what you'll notice is when your Bowdabra gets really full, you can see how what I'm doing is actually, whoops, kind of pulling the towers apart a little bit to get my wand in there and give it a really good push. And I'm going to hold it down in here while I grab my wire. And this is, again, my favorite part with the wire is you're just going to fold it, pull it through the slip knot, tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie a knot and tie a double knot, and I'm actually going to triple knot this just for good merit because it is such a huge bow. And now we're going to start shaping our bow. So in order to shape the bow, we're going to start here in the center and just kind of bring them apart. And all I'm doing is just fluffing separate here. Do the same thing with all of these loops. I'm going to go back to the back here and just kind of take them all here, do the same thing. And when I'm fluffing, I just put my hands into the loops and just pull the loops apart. Go here, put my fingers into my loops, and you can see as this fluffs out, and I always like to fluff on a flat surface because you're always going to be putting the bow onto a flat surface. So you don't want to like fluff in the air because you'll be fluffing forever. Now we're just going to. Now please, if you don't mind, I'd love for you to go to our bowdabra.com, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on TikTok. Now you can see how gorgeous that is. And now we'll add in, I don't even think I can show you this all on the video, but you can see how absolutely gorgeous this bow ends up being.